So if you are a Jamaican living outside of Jamaica and you've been there for some 20, 30 years, but you've never had a Jamaican passport, this video is for you. In England, Canada, UK, and it could be many other countries who have never had a Jamaican passport for whatever reason. One of the most common cases is persons who came on the FARMWORK program, come on in out of the shadows and get your Jamaican passport. Because as a Jamaican citizen, no matter where you are in the world, you may apply for a passport. If you do not know if you had a passport or if your parents are still available, find out from them if you've ever had one. But the purpose of this video is to get you to come forward and get your documents. There is absolutely no reason for you to be living overseas and not have a passport. And I mean persons who don't have a Jamaican passport, who don't have any other passport, which means you don't have the best piece of government issued ID. And because of that, you possibly can't get any other IDs. Let us help you get your Jamaican passport for starters. The Jamaican government will give you your Jamaican passport. So 25 years, 35 years, 45 years, trust me, I've seen everything. It is time now. If you're waiting for a sign to apply for your Jamaican passport and get your life together, this is that sign. I am Gail of 876 Documents. I wish I had a sign. Thanks for watching.